How to turn off or turn on voice control assist for iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off or turn on voice control assist for iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. In Settings, scroll down and navigate to the Accessibility option. Under Physical and Motor tab, you will see the option for voice control. Tap on that and further toggle the voice control button on to enable voice control and toggle the voice control button off in order to disable voice control. So, this is how you can turn off or turn on voice control assist for iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.